Hi, I am Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to write Hello World program using C language. Open versus code or online compiler. Write a code as in the video, and I will explain.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody, I could've.
Here we write stdio.h means standard input and output, and h means header file, where all the print and other words are stored there.
Play the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp, make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
While you want to print something, you should write printf function, then only it will consider, and you keep the semicolon at the end. If not, it will show you error. Then click on Run button, your code will be executed.